Other countries that I forgot. Okay, within the next few months, we're also going to be expand in Cameroon, Ivory Coast, and Tanzania. So AIM Global, for the past 2 years, has been a multi-billion peso company a year. So are you proud of AIM Global?
Yeah.
But there are certain limitations with AIM Global. There are certain limitations. These are the countries. One of the limitations of AIM Global, I forgot Brunei and Hawaii. Okay. The certain limitations of AIM Global are product registrations. The products that we carry, the C24/7 product line, 140 ingredients in one, supplied to us by a billion-dollar company, Unitators Way. The limitations are it has so many ingredients that some of the ingredients are not yet approved in Korea, not yet approved in Japan, not yet approved in the whole of Europe. So what we did before was trial and error, like to reformulate C24/7, but we found that it's not as effective. It's not as effective when we expand in other countries. So for so many years, we've been thinking, how can we support? Okay, everybody say support.
Support.
Because one factor to grow a network is a support system. How can we support Korea? How can we support Japan? How can we support France? How can we support the whole of Middle East? How can we support the whole of Europe, US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand? We also have thousands and thousands of distributors and leaders in those countries. But how can we support them if we don't have a legitimate product for that country? So what we did after thorough experimentation on how we can expand into as many products as possible, we came up with AIM World. AIM World is the online division of AIM Global. So it's like a new company, but it's not a new company. Usually when there's a new opportunity or a new company, it's very risky. Because 95% of the time, new companies will shut down for many reasons. 95% of the time, new companies will close down on its first year. First year. So the good thing with AIM World, since backed up by AIM Global, which is a 10-year-old stable company, we combine the best of both worlds. It's pioneering and yet it's stable. Very seldom you will see both adjectives in one company, pioneering and stable. You have the stability of AIM Global, am I right? But you have the pioneering in terms of timing of AIM World, because we're pioneering worldwide with this flagship product that we have. Let's proceed. The flagship product is called iProtect 24/7. Okay, this is a Japanese technology. This is a Japanese technology, but made in US. It has a double patent in US and a single patent in Japan. Just like to let you know, guys, this is the world's first of this kind of product. No product like this ever existed in the world until today. And we are exclusive with this product worldwide through online division of AIM Global, which is AIM World. Are you excited about it?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, next. So it's not a beverage, it's not a cosmetic, it's not a supplement, it's not a new, it's not an IT product, it's a lifestyle gadget, an antibacterial and antiviral gadget. It's a new category. Okay? So it's antiviral and antibacterial mobile device. Okay? So what it does, it gives you a 2-meter green zone that protects you from the common bacteria, from the common virus. Okay? And the power of the iProtect only lasts for 60 days. Meaning after 60 days, you need to repurchase so that it will keep you protected for another 60 days. So it's consumable. Everybody say consumable.
Consumable.
When the product is consumable, there's repeat order. When there's repeat order, there's repeat sales and repeat commission. So it's a win-win. Win for the company and win for the distributors. And again, there's no product like this in the market. The next closest product that you can compare our iProtect with are the medical grade ionizers that you can find in the hospitals. What medical grade ionizers, the size of this podium, what it does, it's usually around $8,000 to $10,000 US. What it does, it sucks the air from the hospital and it filters with its antibacterial and antiviral filters. But even with that medical grade ionizers, it doesn't have clinical studies. With our iProtect, it has laboratory and clinical studies that stand by it. Next. So let's just say, I'll tell you this story. I was in Dubai, I think 2 months ago or a month ago. Okay, we did some training there along with the Georgian Gonzalez and my wife. We were staying at Sofitel at 28th floor. We had this training at around 6 o'clock. So by around 6 o'clock, I went down the elevator. We're staying at the 28th floor. And then the elevator opens up at the 16th floor. 2 Arabs came in. 2 Arabs came in. Okay, the 2 Arabs were wearing a shirt. Okay, they were not wearing the usual chic-like clothing. They were wearing typical clothing. One has a cap, the other one is wearing some shades. Okay, they're both wearing some nice branded shirts. And then when the elevator goes to the 10th floor, the 2 Arabs probably get resist asking, what's on my neck? The other Arab asking, excuse me, what's that on your neck? He's asking what this is. At the 10th floor. So from the 28th floor, they enter the 16th floor, and by the time it reaches at the 10th floor, they asked me that question. So what I did, I inhaled. And then I said, well, this is an antibacterial and antiviral pendant. If you guys have virus or bacteria like MERS, you're familiar with Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, and you cough at me, and you sneeze at me, or if you have fever, I won't get infected because I'm protected with this gadget. And by that time, it reached the ground floor, and the elevator opened up, and the 2 Arabs were saying, we need that necklace. Can you imagine? In just 10 seconds, more or less, 10 to 20 seconds when the elevator was about to go down, I was able to explain them in 2 to 3 sentences what the product can do. And they are travelers. They're staying at hotels. They're educated people. They're meeting people every now and then, so they need this kind of product. Am I right? Yes. So it's very, very valuable. Now we have another version of iProtect 24/7. We call this iProtect Home. It's the same technology, it's the same product, but with a different purpose. It has a special casing. We call it iProtect Home Case. You can put it in baby's room. Okay? You can put it in baby's room. You can put it in your sala. You can put it inside the car. You can even put it inside the refrigerator. What it does is you put it inside the refrigerator, it will prolong the life of the fruits, vegetables, and the food inside the refrigerators. Simply because the cause of food poisoning is the most common cause of food poisoning is Salmonella virus, Salmonella bacteria rather, and our product iProtect is very much effective against Salmonella. And the reason why a fruit or a vegetable would usually rot is because of bacteria and virus. And if you have a gadget like this, it will prolong. You will save lots of money every week and every month. Particularly in countries where it's a first world country, where when people usually stock up lots of foods and vegetables and fruits in the ref. Okay, but for third world countries like the Philippines, okay, iProtect Home won't usually sell. Because when you open their ref, the only content of the refrigerator are water. Probably 2 eggs. But when you open the refrigerator, people living in US, in Canada, in Australia, even in Korea and Japan, okay, they have 2 dozen eggs, they have 2 gallons of milk, they have lots of cabbage, bananas, tomatoes, and everything. And it will easily be rotted if you don't have iProtect inside. And other people are even asking, Doc, why do we need the iProtect technology? If we are taking supplement, we are healthy, we exercise, we eat properly, okay? We take a bath every day. But the people that you meet every day, some of them might be infected. Am I right? The people you come across with, some of them have virus, some of them has bacteria, and even though you're strong, your immune system is high, when you meet them, when you talk to them, at times the virus or the bacteria goes to your shirt, it goes to your hand. Even though you won't get infected, as soon as you get home, you carry your baby, you kiss your wife, you pack on your kid, the bacteria or the infection goes to them. And they're the one being infected. You get what I'm saying? But if you have iProtect with you, you have a 2-meter safe zone. We have a 2-meter green zone. You won't get infected. Your whole stuff, the clothes that you're wearing won't get infected. So as soon as you get home, your loved ones are also protected. It's not only for you, but for your loved ones. So going back to iProtect Home, you can place it inside the car. You can place it in baby's room. You can place it inside the refrigerator. The same thing, same technology. After 2 months, it expires. You need to refill it again with another iProtect Home device or sachet. The second product is made here in Korea. It's called CareLift. Our target market here is for people who have pain. And according to studies, there are 1.5 billion people every day who wakes up with certain pain in their bodies. Pain on the neck, pain on the shoulder, back pain, shoulder pain, hip pain, okay, muscle pain. And we have CareLift. Korean technology, Korean made. It has 9 natural ingredients. Okay, 9 natural ingredients. It's all natural, non-addictive. It's a breakthrough product. Doctor formulated thermal patch, infused in microlayers, in nanotechnology and innovation. Next. Okay, what are the ingredients? This is the world's first patch that utilizes nanodiamonds. Everybody say nanodiamonds. Nanodiamonds, what it does, it opens up the dermis and the epidermal layer of the skin. Okay, so that all the other 8 ingredients can be penetrated smoothly inside those dermis and epidermal layer. It has nano ingredients, okay, it has nanodiamonds. So what are the other 8 ingredients? Grapeseed oil extract, okay, which is good for inflammation. It has natural germanium, which speeds up the heating process. It has turmeric that has curcumin inside, okay. It has St. John's wort, very famous for inflammation and back pains. It has capsaicin, okay, which is found in the chili component of the chili peppers. Silver irons, also known to kill bacteria and viruses. Korean ginseng, okay. Next, it has vitamin E. All of these 9 ingredients, okay, all of these 9 ingredients are in the CareLift patch. By the way, AIM World is backed up by AIM Wellness Advisory Council. We have doctors from all over the world, doctors from US, doctors from Switzerland, doctors from Japan, Korea, Africa, and the Philippines, backing up with the products that we have. To simply say that, hey, we have a unique product, we have an ingenious product, try it, we're going to make sure that it works for you because it really works well. Next. Okay, so the pricing that we have, okay, we can proceed with the pricing. iProtect, the suggested retail price is $50 US. The distributor's price is $36. Okay, next. The CareLift, it has 20 patches. So if you have friends who have pain, you just give them 1 patch. Or if they have series of pain, you can give them 1 pack. You sell it at $40 US. The distributor's price is $30. Okay, the global pack that we have, the global pack, ladies and gentlemen, is $268 US. $268. But the value of the global pack that you're going to be buying or promoting to your prospects, may it be Korean or may it be Filipinos or any other nationality, it has a free necklace, 3 iProtect 24/7 sachets, good for 2 months each. So that's 2 months, 2 months, 2 months. That's a total of 6 months protection. It has 2 iProtect Home, again 2 months each shelf life. And then we have 3 packs of CareLift that has 20 patches inside for each and every pack. So that's a total value of more than $400. But prospects can buy it at $268 US plus shipping. Guys, the goal is this. The goal is, okay, I'm good with the slides. The goal is, I'm good with the slides. The goal is